Every day before going to school, a 12-year-old boy put just 20 rupees into an old steel box. His friends laughed. 20 rupees? What difference will that make? He never argued. He just smiled and kept saving. None of them knew that one small habit would completely change his life. His name was Arjun. His father worked as a bus driver. His mother stitched clothes from home. Money was always tight. Some days, there wasn't enough for anything extra. But every morning, his mother handed him 20 rupees. "Save it," she would say. "One day, you'll thank yourself." At first, Arjun didn't understand why, but he trusted her. Months turned into years. His friends spent their pocket money on chips, cold drinks, mobile games, and small things they forgot about the next day. Arjun wanted those things too. Sometimes he almost gave in, but every time he opened his wallet, he remembered his mother's words. So he kept saving, little by little, day after day. Without realizing it, he was building something much bigger than money. He was building discipline. One evening, his father lost his job. The family didn't know how they would pay the next month's expenses. That night, Arjun quietly walked to his room. He opened the old steel box. Inside were hundreds of neatly folded notes. He carried it to his parents. "I think this belongs to the family." His parents were speechless. His father couldn't hold back his tears. Those small 20 rupees savings didn't solve every problem, but they gave the family enough time to recover without borrowing money. For the first time, Arjun understood what his mother had really been teaching him. Saving wasn't just about money, it was about security, hope, and freedom during life's hardest moments. Years later, Arjun became a successful entrepreneur. Whenever someone asked him how he built wealth, they expected a secret investment strategy. Instead, he smiled and said, "It all started with 20 rupees a day." Because wealth isn't built in one big decision, it's built through thousands of small decisions that nobody notices. So the next time you think, "It's only 20 rupees," it doesn't matter, remember Arjun, because one small habit, repeated every single day, can change your entire future. Subscribe to Wealth Beyond Limits for more powerful money stories that could change the way you think about wealth.